In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Trello. Trello is a powerful tool for organizing tasks, projects, and ideas, whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team. Adding comments in Trello is a great way to communicate, share updates, and provide feedback directly within your workflow. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire process, from logging into your Trello account to posting and managing your comments. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident using Trello's commenting feature to enhance your productivity. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. Once it's ready, type in www.trell.com and hit enter. This will bring you to Trello's homepage. When you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will take you to the Login page where you can access your account. To log in, you can either enter your email address and password in the provided fields, or choose one of the single sign-on options, like signing in with Google or Microsoft. For example, if you choose Google, you'll be prompted to select or log into your Google account. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button, and you'll be taken directly to your Trello workspace. Now that you're logged in, locate the board where you'd like to add a comment. Your boards will usually be displayed on your Trello homepage or workspace. Simply click on the board you want to work with, and it will open up. Within the board, you'll see cards that represent individual tasks or items. Find the specific card you want to comment on and click to open it. This will bring up the card details, where you can view all the information related to that task. Once the card is open, scroll down until you find the activity or comments section. This is usually at the bottom of the card, so just keep scrolling until you see the comment box. Click into the comment box, and now you're ready to type your message. This is where you can share updates, provide instructions, or give feedback to others on your team. If you want to mention someone in your comment, use the @ symbol followed by their name or username. For example, typing @John will notify John about your comment. This is a great way to get someone's attention or assign follow-up actions. You can also attach files or paste links into your comment for additional context. For example, if there's a document or resource that's relevant to the task, simply click the attachment option or paste the link directly into the comment box. When you're ready to post your comment, press enter on your keyboard. If you need to add a new line to your comment without posting it, hold down the Shift key and then press enter. This allows you to create a multi-line message before finalizing your post. After your comment is posted, you can always make adjustments if needed. To edit or remove your comment, locate the small menu icon next to it, click on the menu, and you'll see options to either edit your text or delete the comment entirely. This is helpful if you need to fix a typo or update the information you've shared. And that's it. Now you know how to add, edit, and manage comments in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.